Maurice Quentin de la Tour was born on September 5, 1704, died February 17, 1788. He was a French Rococo portraitist who worked primarily with pastels. Among his most famous subjects were Voltaire, Rousseau, Louis XV and Madame de Pompadour. The musee Antoine Lecuyer in the town of Saint-Quentin is home to many of La Tour's pastels from his own studio. It offers the visitor not only a synthesis of La Tour's life and work but also a selective and concentrated view of French 18th century society and costume.
For more video, subscribe our channel and switch the bell button more. I hope you like the video. Please like and share. Thank for watching.